Today, I've got this delicious, simple, quick boil, blood nourishing Chinese soup. This soup is perfect for anyone who's feeling dizzy, fatigue, who's going through postpartum, has a pale complexion, or has blood deficiency. The very unique ingredient for this soup is going to be the protein, which is your pork liver. It's definitely an acquired taste, but eating the spinach and everything else in the soup will still benefit your blood production. This is one of the key soups in postpartum, especially in weeks 2, 3, and 4, when you're looking to replenish your blood. For postpartum, this soup is ideal for mothers who have normal to dry stool, is experiencing dryness like thirsty, dry skin, or needs a lighter, quicker to digest blood tonic alongside the heavier, slow-cooked stews. When I was going through postpartum, my mom was my puyu, or my confinement lady. She had 2 soups for me ready every day. One was a light, quick boil tonic for moisture and gentle nourishment. And the other one was often like a double boiled, really healing, rich tonic. In this recipe, pork liver is the star ingredient. It's warming in nature and targets the liver, heart, and kidneys, all key organs in postpartum recovery. It is a blood tonifying ingredient and one of the strongest food-based blood tonics available. It helps replenish blood lost in childbirth, menstruation, or heavy periods. It also strengthens the eyes, qi, and essence. Goji berries are almost a must-have and a wonderful addition to this soup. They are neutral and help boost the liver and kidney while tonifying blood, which makes it a staple must-have ingredient for postpartum. And for these types of soups, ginger is almost a must-have as well. Fresh ginger is warm in nature. It helps dispel wind and cold from the body, helping with blood circulation, warming the stomach, and aiding in digestion. And dried red dates. Red dates are slightly warm and strengthens the spleen and also improves blood production. These sweet additions are often found in postpartum soups, tonics, and teas. They're really good with helping blood circulation, warming the stomach, and aiding in digestion. And finally, fresh spinach. You can also use baby spinach if you like. Fresh spinach is the addition that makes it a quick boil and a lighter tonic, as you don't have to boil the spinach very long. While spinach is slightly cooling, it does help bring a lot of moisture back to the body and can be offset in nature with more ginger. Spinach is nicely paired here to support blood production with a healthy amount of iron, vitamin C, and folate. To make this soup, I will pan fry the pork liver in a healthy amount of ginger and a bit of oil. This will allow 2 things. The first is to warm up the pork even more. The second is to create a fragrant taste and eliminate any fishy or bitterness of the organ meat. This is the one soup that I will add a bit of salt to, particularly as I'm frying the liver. You can also blanch if this works better for you. For 2 large bowls of soup, I will use 5 cups of water and bring that to a boil. Finally, add in your spinach, red dates, and goji berries. Cover and boil on medium-high for about another 30 minutes. Serve and enjoy. You can actually add in the spinach anytime you want, depending on how crunchy or soft you like it. I personally prefer it a little more soft, and so that's why I will boil it longer. Happy soup making for your blood, and I'll see you next time.